this video I have information of how to improve the elasticity of the skin about 75% and how to preserve it. These two oils I'm going to be talking about also, it's going to help with the hydrolipid protection of your top layer. So I'll see you in a few minutes, my sweet friends. Hello my lovely friends in YouTube, Clarissa here. I am back with another video, my sweet friends, and this video is going to be about two special oils that helps to preserve the elasticity of the skin. But first I want to send you my gratitude, my hug for all the comments and all the love that you sent to me. Thank you very much. Okay, so first I am going to explain how the lipid function in your skin changes through the years. As we get older, the oils in your skin, the natural oils in your skin, diminish it. And that is why we experience dehydration, we experience lack of plumpiness, the skin becomes dehydrated. And when those oils start decreasing, the collagen levels will decrease as well, because those lipids, those ceramides, your own ceramides, are able to protect those protein fibers, which is the structure of your skin. If those oils are being completely depleted, those ceramides, those lipids, then those fibers will get affected, causing, sagging and wrinkling and deflation of the skin. Now, the hydrolipid barrier in our skin is what it protects from the environment. It protects from bacteria. And so we need also to replace those lipids by taking good fats, I should say, like omega-3. You should take ceramides internally, and for example, taking like omega-3s, coconut oil, olive oil, all those fats are good to maintain your ceramide levels in your skin. And also applying oils externally, because when you apply oils externally, it's going to stimulate your own lipids, your own ceramides. Keep in mind that when you're using cleansers that are high pH, pH of 10, it will destroy gradually the mantle acid of your skin. And the ideal pH in your skin is 5.5. So you have to find cleansers that have a good pH in order to maintain the mantle acid. And so the cleansers that I recommend, oils are the best, or very creamy cleansers. I have seen many on YouTube advising to use those foam cleansers or those ones that you need to wash it, because it creates like bubbles and you need to remove it with water. Those are not good for mature skin. Maybe for a teenager, but what you need as a cleanser is a cleanser that is based in lipids and oils, good cholesterol cleansers, or good cholesterol face creams. One of the oils that I recommend to cleansing the skin, it is sesame seed oil. Sesame seed oil, this is certified organic and pure and natural skincare company, or it is Heather Lorraine company, I'm sorry. I bought these at Whole Foods. Certified organic sesame seed has the ability to oxygenate the skin, and also is an excellent cleanser that won't disturb your acid mantle. It won't disturb your pH. And so there are other cleansers that you could use, oil cleansers like coconut oil, fantastic as well. Jojoba oil, it's very good too. And other oils. I will make a video just for cleansers for mature skin. And another creamy cleanser that I recommend, it is the Shiseido one. This is creamy cleansing emulsion. When I say creamy, is when you use the cleanser, creamy cleanser, and it's required to remove with a tissue. That is what you're going to use. But it says in a label clearly, remove with a tissue. I remove it with a tissue and then I use a hot towel to remove it. But if the bottle indicates not to remove with a tissue, instead you gotta wash your face, that means that type of cleanser has some kind of a detergent that will affect the lipid barrier. It will affect the pH in your skin. And when the pH is affected, you're gonna have a lot of problems. Redness, dehydration, you're going to have, in severe cases, psoriasis, eczema, and other skin conditions. So now we're going to talk about the oils that I am going to recommend to improve elasticity. One of them is argan oil. I have done a review about this product. This is by Med Skin, and this is a natural oil, organic argan oil. Argan oil is one of the oils that is considered dry oil because it absorbs immediately into the skin, and it's an oil, one of the oils again, that helps to restore elasticity of the skin. It helps to maintain the elasticity of the skin, and very good for scars and also for cellulite. And so anything that treats scars and cellulite, it is you're treating broken collagen. And so another thing that I forgot to mention is when we are mature, besides of the lipids going down, also the pores of your skin will get enlarged. That is also broken collagen, because those pores are being enlarged, and the reason they're enlarged is because around the area you're losing collagen. And so it's very important to keep in mind that, because there are no products to really close those pores. It could be products to minimize those pores. And so this is the argan oil, completely organic, and it has great amounts of omega-6. This is an excellent oil to repair the lipids of your skin, to stimulate your own lipids, and prevent the deflation of the skin. Therefore, your skin will be more elastic using this oil. Like I said, it's one of the oils that helps with elasticity, but I am going to talk about another oil as well that helps with elasticity. So this is argan oil by Med Skin. I will put the information in the description box. Okay, my friends, so this is the next oil, esqualane oil. When we are babies, we are born with large amounts of esqualane. That's why babies have this dewy, extra dewy, hydrated, plump skin, no pores, because nothing is degrading. And as we get older, esqualane levels will decrease. And so in order to stimulate your own esqualane, you need to use this oil, esqualane oil. Esqualane oil is a beautiful moisture molecule that is called the 630-6H2. And this oil has the ability to treat very, very dry skin. As you know, dry skin will damage the elasticity of your epidermal layer. And so this is an awesome oil to help preserve the elasticity of the skin. So esqualane oil nowadays is being formulated from plant source, in this case it's from olives. And this is completely natural, organic, and the company name is Shitera, one of my favorite companies. It's olive esqualane. Okay, so this boosts hydration to the maximum. It helps to prevent the deflation of the skin. Argan oil and esqualane oil, you could use it on the hair and the skin. And so keep in mind that when you're going to use these oils, make sure that your skin is exfoliated. Exfoliated with derma roller, dermaplaning, or any other type of exfoliation. Now, when it comes to exfoliation, make sure you do it in a gentle way. So I am going to say that if you use 0.5 derma roller or dermaplaning, that is not as harsh as using like granules of sugar or granules of other kind of ingredient that is really harsh for the skin. So if that type of exfoliation is being used, you are gradually destroying your hydrolipid layer of the skin. And so I recommend the derma rolling or dermaplaning, or if you don't want to really exfoliate, use 0.25 derma roller for product penetration. So my friends, this is the video for today. I hope you liked it. I hope it was helpful. And so keep reinventing yourself. Keep running the race, enthusiastic, with courage, that your body is able to restore. Your body is able to change if you put the effort, no matter what age you are. And as I say always, all depends on how your body is. All depends on the condition your body is. If your body is in a super bad condition, it's going to take a little longer for restoration. But don't lose hope, because you will see results. And so we'll see you in my next video, my sweet friends. Stay tuned and thumbs up, subscribe, and share my video. All right, stay gorgeous and looking youthful and younger than your natural age.